Vivo X300 FE Fan Edition. Yeah, we all know that Vivo X300 mobiles are the flagship level mobile. So this one is just kind of Fan Edition mobile with some downgraded features. Starting with the display, this one comes with a 6.31 inches of tiny cute display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus supported AMOLED display, and it is a full HD plus resolution display protected by the Scotch Sensation glass, their own glass. When we talk about the processor, this one comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 9600, which is a flagship level kind of processor, and it is octa-core 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G, this one comes with almost 17 plus 5G bands in India. And also, when we talk about the availability, this one will be available in 3 variants mostly because it is a Fan Edition, right? So it will be available in 8GB 256, 12GB 256, and 12GB RAM, 512GB internal storage variants. Now these are going to be UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. So I would say these are pretty much good RAM types and good storage capacities for read and write speeds. And this one comes with a huge camera setup. That is for a Fan Edition mobile, it's a huge camera setup. I would say triple rear cameras where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a 30 megapixels of telephoto lens. When you talk about the selfie, this model comes with a 50 megapixels of selfie camera. With the back cameras, we can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS, not the 8K. And with the front also, we can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS with this mobile's front-facing selfie cameras. Now, to power up this mobile, we are getting a 7000 mAh of huge battery. And it supports 90 watts of fast flash charge through wire. But unfortunately, there is no wireless charging, And it supports reverse wired charge. And I would say that for this small sized screen mobile, this much bigger battery could be a game changer. I mean, you can get at least 2 days of battery backup without even charge. So it's a good mobile for fans. Fan Edition. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile build quality, it is a complete not complete, it's a polycarbonate bag body, and front and back, the front is glass but the back could be leather finish. And this one will come with the other sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. When we talk about the connectivity, this one will come with the latest connectivity such as Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, and tri-band supports everything. When we talk about the operating system, this is also a biggest leap from the last generation Fan Edition mobiles. That is, this mobile not coming with the Fanta choice. Out of the box, this mobile comes with the Android version 16 with the Origin OS 6. Yeah, that is the biggest upgrade from the last generation mobile. So we can get a good performance with this mobile, with this operating system also. And when we talk about the colors, I will list the colors in the description box down below with the other videos of my channel, so you can go and check the colors and watch the videos of my channel too. By the way, if you are watching the video till now, subscribing to the channel will be amazing. And if we need to talk about this mobile's feature, other features, like this model comes with the IR blaster but no 3.5mm jack. This model comes with the stereo speakers. And when we talk about the ports, this model comes with the USB charging port. That is not a Type C, that is not a 3.2 Gen Type C port. It's a normal Type C port which supports charging only. We can't connect Elgato and streaming is like that. I feel it could be better if they have given, but for the price range which this mobile is going to release, it's a good. So I will tell you about the price range right now. So this mobile, according to the news, till now this mobile might come to the price tag of 57 to 63,000 rupees, in between that price. And if this mobile is at that price range, I would say, if you are a camera lover, you can buy that mobile obviously. Or if you want a good mobile, you can still take a look at the iQOO 13 or the OnePlus 13. Both are obviously great mobiles. And so that's all for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.